Good morning, YouTube friends. Good morning, YouTube friends. Oh, I think this is Lola's favorite part of the day. And then, do you want your num-nums? Do you want your num-nums?
Come on. Yesterday started at our favorite spot, Buckle Tip Cafe, with a little celebration. That's it, Arturo. Right. Sold out.
Sold out?
We sold out in 78 minutes.
Alright. We have to get going.
So you guys, it's 100 bags of coffee all gone.
I better start roasting.
We're like, that's so crazy. You never know.
I would sleep tonight. I would sleep like 3 nights.
You're gonna have to drink a lot of morning movement. That's like the Kaylee coffee special.
Extra foam, please.
It's like 90% foam. So yesterday was like, I don't know, we spent the first morning just like mind blown.
Freaking out.
We weren't expecting that to happen at all.
You guys, thank you so incredibly much for supporting us in this way, and especially supporting Arturo. We're so happy to be doing this collaboration with him. And just to give you guys a little update, we are going to be restocking. We just want to get this first 100 batch out, and then once that goes over, you know, nice and smoothly, we'll restock up and get some more coffee up for you guys.
So after celebrating all morning, drinking a bunch of coffee, it's finally time for us to get to the land and get some work done. Kaylee! It's working! Guys, this is the first time we've been up here in the rain. And it's working. Now all we need to do, we need to connect this into the tank so we can actually collect this water. Right now we're kind of flushing everything out. And then also in each tank, I need to have a vent. Because as water comes in, the air needs to go somewhere. So the air needs to go at the vent. You ready to make some mistakes?
Let's do it. Woo. It's going.
Okay.
No. Woo! Sometimes just a little manpower is all you need, baby.
Kids, that's how you charge your batteries before you go and build stuff, especially when you're off grid.
What'd you do?
Biggest klutz of the year. I just knocked all the PVC glue off.
Aww.
And now I got to be the dude doing work without a shirt on because I have to sacrifice my shirt.
Yeah, right. You did that on purpose.
We don't have any towels.
So yesterday, when we got up to the land and started working, it was one of those days where everything just kind of was going wrong. We didn't have the parts that we needed. Our batteries weren't charged for our drills. And it was one of those days that just everything was just moving along very, very slow. So we're really starting to feel the pressure. We need to get this freaking rainwater collection system up and running as soon as possible, but we need to make sure that we have all the right parts. So today is going to be the official final day of construction on the rainwater collection system.
Okay, so today needs to be a very big day.
It's a very big day. It needs to be a very productive day. We need to stay laser focused.
Do you have everything that we need? Do you have the snacks?
I have the snacks, the most important thing.
So at the hardware store, they wanted $35 for a vent. So that cost about 5 cents. So right now I'm building the first flush diverter. So the point of this is when the rainwater's flowing in, The rainwater's flowing in this way. All of the like junk, any like pollen or any dirt that happens to make its way through the tubes or anything that's on the rain roof is gonna get trapped in here. So as the rainwater is running across, the water comes in, all the junk that's the heaviest flows down here, and then eventually comes out of this little spout. I sent Kaylee off to the hardware store and they're closed because it's Sunday. And I forgot everything's closed here on Sunday, so.
We're gonna wait on the piping system down there, and for now, finish the actual rain roof. We still have a little bit more plastic corrugated roofing to fill in the top area here. So, that's what we're gonna do now.
Check out this teamwork right now.
Woo!
Got it?
I got it.
Oh, you're right, that worked. I did not think that was gonna work. Let me put you down now without dropping you. Anything you want to say to the people while you're up there?
We did it.
Here comes it. Sneak attack on the nose!
You got it in her nose, honey. Oh, mamas. Too much peanut butter in my nosy.
I just realized we have to take the whole roof apart.
Because we got a silicone.
Yeah, so we bought food grade silicone.
To put underneath these little screws in here.
On top of them. So we're gonna coat them all in food grade silicone.
Right.
To seal it.
But in order to get access to the middle ones,
yeah,
we're gonna have to
take it all apart. And the silicone needs to be done in the morning. So we need to do it when it's not about to rain. If you look, the rain comes in the evening. So the idea is if I can put it on early in the morning, it'll dry by the time it starts raining. All right, so this is just for now. This is gonna be our overflow.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what's gonna overflow to?
Yes, I do.
What is it gonna overflow to?
We're gonna have a little pond over there.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be where excess water goes, right?
All of like our agricultural water.
Right.
So we're gonna have a little pond here, and like, so if all these are full, all
Yeah.
the water will just drain into the pond.
Exactly.
And then we're gonna take some of your guys' advice. We're gonna use a ram pump to get the water that flows. So we're gonna be able to run water from here down to the pond, and then we're gonna use a ram pump to get it up the hill.
Woo!
That's all for a much later episode, but that's kind of our plan. You can kind of start to see how like the water's gonna start taking shape. So,
pretty cool.
pretty excited.
But if you find some,
More to go?
78 more to go.
78 more to go.
Woo, good teamwork, guys.
Well, we got 22 all done. You can see them all right here. So many morning movements.
So many morning movements, you guys, coming right at ya.
Well, that does it for our first coffee bagging. We only got a quarter of the way done. We still have a decent amount more to do. But if you guys,
so dark.
if you guys want to get some of this coffee, I know it was so crazy. We sold out in 78 minutes. So we're just, if you guys want to get on the next run, join the wait list. We'll put a link in the description and you can get on the wait list and then
Be notified when we have it.
yeah, you'll be in first in line when this next batch comes out. I don't think there's a lot of things that are as frustrating as having to take something completely apart to change one little thing and then have to put it all back together. And that's what I have to do today. I have food grade silicone that I want to put over all of the screws to seal them so water doesn't get through. And I didn't even realize when I was putting it together that I wouldn't be able to reach the screws to put the silicone on. So I had to take the whole thing apart to put all the silicone on. But that's kind of part of this project, just making mistakes and learn from it. I used to be so afraid to make mistakes that a lot of times I wouldn't even do something. And Kay likes to call this analysis paralysis. And And that's something I'm trying to get away from, you know, just go and try and do something, and who cares if you make a mistake? It's what, $40, $50 in wood, some plastic roofing. What's the worst case? You tear it all down and start again. So I did as much research as I could beforehand, but it can only get you so far. Like no one else can show me exactly how to build something with this land, with this wind, with this sun, you know, all the different variables. So, you know, we just went for it, and now the rain roof's all done. We have one more thing left, just to connect this PVC to those tanks. And then our rainwater system for now is finished. And tomorrow, this is why we've been saying like, we're in a rush, or like, we don't have that much time, because tomorrow we need to bring our bus to customs to import it permanently. And our bus is our home. And after we drop the bus off, we're driving to Panama City because Kaylee is flying back to the United States. So we need to get this all done today. Hey, what are you doing over there?
Just talking to you in this pipe hole. What are you doing out here? We did it! Well, you guys, I think we did it.
Check this out. So, the water comes all the way from out there, runs all the way down this pipe. We kind of built two first flush diverters because neither one could really be that big. So this is our kind of first flush diverter on a screw cap. Then here's our second flush. So you might be wondering, like, why is that so little? Usually they go all the way down, and that's because of the weight. I was kind of worried about having, I don't know, 2 gallons in there, which is 17 pounds, just like weighing on that all the time. So I made it smaller, and then I put another one in. And now the big question,
is it gonna work?
Is it gonna work? And you might be, if you look around, man, there doesn't look like there's any rain in sight. What a beautiful day. But we got a little surprise. Keep going. All right, you're good there.
Woo! This is the moment of truth. It's going. Here it comes. Oh, there's these leaves in the bottom here. Oh boy, it's going! Oh, it's a little off. So I just realized I had this facing the other way, so I just spun it around because it was spitting out water in the front there. So now that I spun it around, it's perfectly going in, no spills. Looks like we're doing good. We have no leaks so far, which is a really, really good sign.
All right, so Kaylee's manning the hose up there, and I'm gonna come down here. And the first thing I'm gonna do is just flush all the dirt out, because there's so much dirt in there. So I'm just gonna unscrew this, and eventually we'll have this drain in a better spot. For now, just running a few gallons from it, it'll be okay. Here it comes! Go! Woo! All right, so we probably run about 5 gallons through here. It looks pretty clean. There's definitely a lot more flushing too, but I'm gonna send it up now to the second one just to see how everything holds. It's working! Woo! So now this is the second flush diverter, and this also isn't always going to be running, but I'm trying to flush some stuff out right now. So there's a ball in here, and so all the junk. Now it's going to the tank. You guys hear that? We did it!
Oh my God!
Kaylee's going to check out what the inside looks like.
I'm scared about this.
There's a spider right there.
He's going in! He's going in!
You have a little bit of extra protein in your water, love.
Oh, he's in there.
It's alright, we're flushing all this out anyway.
Woo! Where did I go?
Alright, so the water's been flowing now for, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. Now let's check out all this plumbing, just see if there's any leaks. So the good thing is I don't see any leaks coming from there. I don't see any leaks coming from anywhere. Let's just see. The only thing is I don't know if the water's made its way up to that tube yet. So let's see if we're getting any water out of here.
You think it'll do it? That's amazing.
Look at that.
Don't waste it. Sweet. So it's working.
You know, in theory, this was a good idea, but now it's like the same thing with the rain roof. Now that things are actually happening, I don't like it because we're gonna have to find a way to support this. We're gonna have to find a way to support this. And I'd rather just have it perfectly square because then it could hit the ground, which would support it. And it would just be a lot more structurally sound and it wouldn't look as janky as it is right now. So I'm gonna rip this whole thing apart. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. This could either be really, really good or the start of something really, really bad. We did it. Just as the rain started coming, we finished. Dang. I thought that was gonna be a disaster for a second, but if you guys look, this looks a lot better. And this looks a lot more secure. We're just gonna build the earth around that. And right now we're just holding it up with a piece of wood, but we'll get that earth back underneath it. But that looks so much more solid because it's a perfect square rather than like, you know, sometimes you have an idea and you think it's a good idea and then you try it and it's like, wow, that was a really bad idea. That was what that was for me. But now we're gonna watch all of this rain go into this roof. Kaylee's over here.
It's freezing.
Hiding for now. This is where we're gonna say goodbye. What a crazy video this was. Crazy last few days. This is our last day on the land for a little bit.
No, we haven't told him yet.
We'll leave you guys with this one. Kaylee's going home.